It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, auxiliary audio input, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, and twin-turbo V6 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.